Hey guys, so this is just a quick tip on gripping short hair and trying to create a very flat or as flat as you can soft lock to any lock hairstyle. I would say the biggest thing is making sure you have a very good strong hold edge control. And also you always want to have a sound like a very strong foundation, and for me I use any marley hair or kinky hair for like the strong foundation. Since my client's hair is short, and especially when you have a client with a fine hair, you just don't want to braid it, and also you don't want to use expression or any braiding hair because again that could be very stiff. But the thing is that you don't have to use that much of the marley. As you can see, I'm only using just a very little, like basically one strand of the marley hair can get me to maybe like have like maybe 4 to like 5 foundation that I'm going to use for my locks. So you don't really need that much. So basically when my clients have short hair and they come, I usually just use one pack. I don't even finish the whole pack of the marley or the kinky hair, because again, like the whole point, it doesn't even have to be as long as the length that your client is going for. The only thing that has to be as long as the length that your client is going for is your locks, because again, you're wrapping over your locks. You just want to have that foundation to be able to insert the locks that you can see me doing right now. And then when I am done, I'm just going to wrap the marley hair over the locks. I'm still gonna go back to wrap, as you can see, for the rest of the locks, but this is how it's looking like so far. So good. And I would say when your client has short hair, just tell them that it's best to use like the free parts, because again, if you use the boxes, it's fine, but that would take you longer time, and your client's hair is already short, so you don't like a scrunchie cannot really hold anything, right? So for me, I think the best part is the free parts. Again, it helps the style go by really fast, and it just helps with everything, to be honest, because again, like it's short, so you want to do well with what you have. I don't know what that's saying, guys, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And right now I'm just wrapping over it, and then you see how it's looking. It's not looking like super stiff, but it is gonna look stiff, and it might hurt a little bit because again, your hair is short, so they have to grip you have to grip the marley hair, and also you have to wrap it very well so the hair can last long and it doesn't fall out, because the whole point of doing getting locks even when you have short hair is because you want your hair to grow, and maybe you want the locks to last as long. You don't want the locks to like start falling off like 2-3 days after. All my clients that come to me and their hair is pretty short, they usually have their I usually let them know that hey, it might not last as long, but to my surprise, it ends up lasting them for about 2 months, 4 weeks, 6 weeks. I've only had one incident where like maybe like 2-3 locks came out, but that was like 2 weeks after, and she had like an extremely fine hair. But that was probably like the first and the last time it ever happened as of right now. So yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know. I have all the hair that I use in my description box as well. And yeah, well, that's how you secure your clients, your short hair clients. Okay, guys, be sure to check the link in my description box. Follow me on my social media. Like, comment, and subscribe if you find it very, very helpful. So I forgot to say something, guys. I know I do short hair, but please, before you book, message me so we can confirm the length and everything. Thank you.